Hello and welcome to the BotPenguin. In this video, we will discuss how BotPenguin charges the customers about their messages consumption and how the pricing model of BotPenguin works as a customer. So let's get started. Let's take an example of this particular account. First thing, that BotPenguin will not charge any amount, or that message will not be consumed that has been sent by the customer. So any inbound message sent by the customer will not be consumed on the BotPenguin platform. Only the outbound message that can be of your team member, that can be template, that can be live chat, that can be the normal static flow that your bot is replying. All these outbound message will be charged on the platform. Now, regarding the WhatsApp, if you are sending the templates to your customers, those templates are not charged by us. We will definitely consume one message to send this message to the customer, but depends upon which category template it is. It can be marketing, it can be utility, it can be authentication template. That charges will depends upon Meta. Then you need to upload your card on the Meta account itself to directly pay to Meta. We will not charge anything for these kind of templates or anything that you are sending to the customer, whether it is template or anything. We are only going to consume the message that has been sent from the platform to the end user. So that's all about this video, how the messages are consumed on the BotPenguin platform. In case if you have any queries regarding the same, please reach us at support@botpenguin.com. We will surely help you with your queries. Thank you for choosing BotPenguin.